up, Enjin coin holders? How are you? Hope you're fine now, my friends. In this video, once again, I'm talking about the Enjin coin. My friends, must watch this video, all Enjin coin holders, because in this video, I'm talking about the urgent update of Enjin coin, which is very important for all of you, my friends. Let's start the video, my friends. But please subscribe ABS Tech channel for more news and updates videos. My friends, at this time, the latest price of the Enjin coin is 1.31 USD dollar. That is the latest price of the Enjin coin. On the other side, if you look the price of Enjin coin in a BTC Bitcoin, so 0.003505 USD dollar is the latest price of the Enjin coin. My friends, 24 hours trading volume, market cap, available supply, total supply, every update you can see now on the screen, my friends. Let me show you the price chart of the Enjin coin. You can see here the last 1 hour change of the Enjin coin, negative 1.25% price change in the Enjin coin. Last 24 hours price change is negative 7.85%. In last 7-day price change is also negative 10.15%. So this means that completely the price of Enjin coin is going down. So now the current situation of Enjin coin is very bad, and you know what, a lot of people ask me questions about Enjin coin, that when will the price pump. So my friends, don't worry, the price will pump. Remember, my friends, after a falls there is a jump, and after a great falls there is a quick jump, my friends. So my predictions tell us that the quick jump of the Enjin coin are coming soon. So stay connected for more news and updates with the ABS Tech channel. Absolutely, I will update you when they take a jump, my friends. At this time, you can see it from the price chart. It's clear that now the current period of the Enjin coin is going negative. Now at this time the price of Enjin coin is completely going down, but it's not mean that you decide to sell, my friends. You have to hold. After you hold, so absolutely you will get a good amount of profit, my friends. And you can see here, my friends, in the previous time they take a good jump, my friends. I really like Enjin coin. Enjin coin is a positive cryptocurrency, and I believe that they will give you profit. But please, my friends, you have to hold for the last of this month. If you hold for the last of this month, so there is no doubt, so you will get profit from the Enjin coin. Anyways, don't forget to subscribe ABS Tech channel, and don't lose hope. Don't be disappointed by the Enjin coin. I hope they will take a huge jump, my friends. Don't forget to subscribe ABS Tech channel. Thanks for watching this video.